Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered why Python is the go-to language for millions of developers around the world? Today, I'm sharing 5 compelling reasons why you should learn Python. Let's dive in. First up, Python is designed to be simple and easy to learn. Its clean syntax makes it perfect for first-time programmers. Seriously, if you can type, you can start coding. Next, from web development and data science to AI and automation, Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming. Name it, and Python can do it. Another big reason employers are looking for Python developers everywhere. It's one of the most in-demand skills with attractive salaries. Need I say more? Python also comes with a treasure chest of libraries and frameworks. They save time and effort, so you can focus on building, not reinventing the wheel. And lastly, Python has a massive community of developers who are ready to help. Stuck? A solution is just a Google search away. So there you have it. Python is beginner-friendly, versatile, in-demand, equipped with endless libraries, and backed by a huge community. If you're ready to unlock the doors to a brighter tech future, Python is the key. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's start your coding journey together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who are curious about Python.